As the month of Muharram begins, the question of security and its provision comes to the top of the agenda of civil administration across Pakistan. During the first 10 days of this month, Shias everywhere commemorate martyrdom of Hussein, the third Imam of Shias and the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him. The current warlike situation, created by frequent bomb attacks, has compelled thousands of people, both Shia and Sunni, to abandon their homes in Kurram Agency, one of the 7 tribal areas, and move to Peshawar city, the capital of Northwest Frontier Province. Due to the prevailing circumstances, unlike the past, the provincial government has taken unusual steps to provide security to the mourners.
The police has prepared a special security plan. In that plan, in addition to police, the support of Frontier Constabulary, Frontier Corps would be available to the police. And Pak Army would be on their back in, God forbid, in case of any emergency. So they will be supporting the police and they will be available at Peshawar.
In Northwest Frontier Province, at least 500 people were killed in 2 rounds of Shia and Sunni clashes during April and November last year. The government has invoked Section 144 of the law during Muharram, which prohibits the entry of Afghan refugees in Peshawar city, bans public display of weapon, use of loudspeaker, pillion riding, and driving cars with tinted glass, among other things.
The administration has provided us with good security arrangements. In addition to that, every mosque and every Imam Bargah also takes its own excellent safety measures. If despite of all that anything happens, it means there was our weakness somewhere, somehow.
Meanwhile, Jamaat Islami has held a series of meetings with both Shia and Sunni groups to maintain peace during the days of Muharram. 65 Imam Bargahs and 31 mosques in the city have been declared highly sensitive sites, with 300 extra security personnel put on duty to provide security there. Shia-Sunni conflict has haunted the country for many years, but the recent wave of terrorist attacks in Northwest Frontier Province and the arrival of Muharram, during which Shias hold huge processions, have given more urgency to the issue of security in the country. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.